Clifford?
Oh.
Alright, my question for you is, looking back, do you think you were completely authentic or may moments na you played safe inside the house? Juicy question.
Hindi, syempre, aminin ko na there were times na kahit hindi ko gusto, ginawa ko. There were times na nag-step back ako. Kagaya nung siguro yung first task namin, yung Candelabra. There was a time na nag-step up ako of the task kasi walang gustong mag-step out na housemate. So personally, syempre ayokong gawin yun. Pero for the sake of finishing the task, ginawa ko yun. So siguro mga moments lang na ganun where there were times talaga na I tried my best to give way. Pero in the end, I wouldn't change anything. Kaya, thank you.
Yes, thank you for that, Clifford. And that was actually our questions from Neil Serrano of TikTok PH. Ashley, since joining the show, how has your life changed and how are you handling the sudden surge of Big Brother fame? Who wants to go first? Princess. Nakateacher si Ashley, so Princess
Sige,
ikaw.
ako na. Well, siguro nothing changed. Wala naman masyadong nagbago. I mean, I'm still me. But, ayun na nga, siguro mas marami lang nakakakilala na sa akin ngayon. Mas maraming supporters, which I'm very grateful for. Pero, ayun na nga, tungkol naman dun sa Big Brother fame na nakuha namin from PBB. Well, palagi din naman akong pinapaalalahanan ng family ko to always be humble and to always be appreciative of what I have. So, ayun, wala namang nagbago. I'm still me.
Still the princess that you are. Yan, tama. Remain humble and grateful. How about you, Ashley?
Ako naman po, kita ko po na grabe po talaga yung nadagdag po na supporters and fans po talaga. So, paglabas ko po ng bahay, punong-puno po agad ako ng pagmamahal mula po sa mga kaibigan ko, sa family ko, and of course po, doon po sa mga fans ko. And nakakatuwa po na ganun po yung naging impact ko po sa kanila and how I'm handling po the Big Brother fame po right now. Siyempre po, mas malaking responsibility po as a role model na rin. And dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence and impact po namin sa mga nakatutok po sa amin, sa mga nanonood po sa amin. Gusto ko po talaga ngayon na mas mag-improve po to become better dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence po namin. So yun po talaga yung goal ko ngayon, to make good use po of what I have right now.
It's actually great. Like they say, with great power comes with great responsibility. So keep on inspiring the young people out there, Ashley. Now, for Heath, this is actually an interesting question. So, shipping culture and fan bases for PBB are incredibly intense. So how do you feel about the love teams or pairings that fans have already created for you online?
Ayan ano po. Siyempre po nakakagulat po and it was really unexpected po kasi nung sa loob ng bahay po ni Kuya, we had no idea po. Pero ayun po, nakakatuwa po na nakikita yung mga ganun po and yung support po nila sa amin. It makes us happy pa rin po.
And no wonder mapapair ka talaga sa maraming love teams because you are another Kapuso heartthrob in the making. Yes, let's give it up for Heath, everybody. And that's it from Iza Iglesias of Manila Times. Now let's move on